Man accused of trying to rob a local store died just days after those store workers overpowered him and then held him down until the police came. This happened at the United Wireless Group office in Southwest Charlotte last week. Eyewitness News reporter Glenn Counts talked to attorneys to find out if those employees could now face charges. Glenn?
Well, how far can you go to protect yourself or your property? This is one of those cases where the answer to that question is going to mean everything.
It was a robbery that ended very badly for the suspects. One got away barely, the other died 2 days ago.
At the end of the day, it's always about the facts, always about the circumstances.
Police are now conducting a homicide investigation into the death of 39-year-old Wallace Scranton III. Officers say he got into a fight with one of the employees and was held down until police arrived. Officers found him unconscious and had to immediately perform CPR just to revive him, but he later died. So now there is the possibility that those employees could be charged. Rick WINIKER is a former U.S. attorney. He takes a prosecutor's perspective.
Were you using unreasonable force? And did that unreasonable force result in this man's death? If so, you must convict.
James Exum is a prominent defense attorney. He believes a successful defense depends on how the employees perceive the threat.
That they were in an imminent situation where they were facing death or serious bodily harm.
WINIKER says the right to self-defense is not unlimited.
You have somebody who's careless or reckless, whether behind a gun or behind the wheel of a car, you're looking at problems and having to face a jury.
Well, Exum says that's why it's almost better in every situation to allow the police or the professionals to handle it because they are trained. Ultimately, of course, it'll be up to the district attorney to decide if these men went too far or if they are justified. Reporting live from the Mecklenburg County Courthouse, Glenn Counts, Channel 9 Eyewitness News at 10.
Glenn, thank you. Now, there was a case in Charlotte recently where a shop owner was charged, but the circumstances were somewhat different in that case. It was back in August when police say that Justin Anderson broke into this business on Independence Boulevard in East Charlotte. He set off an alarm, and that alerted the owner, Alan Corder. A 911 dispatcher told Corder not to go to the store, but he went to the store anyway. He ended up shooting and killing Anderson. Corder has now been charged with manslaughter.